don't wait until the jam jar wins to start worrying about your grip strength. Let's build an iron strong grip today. Hey, it's Brody and Ollie from Be Mobile Physiotherapy, your go-to experts in strength and fitness for over 55s. Now, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this.
Now, Brody, grip strength is so key for all your everyday activities, whether it's opening jars, carrying the groceries, gardening, or even playing sports like golf or pickleball.
And the good news is you can improve it, and it's probably simpler than you think. So today we're going to show you how with 3 easy grip strength exercises.
Exercise 1 is the wrist curl. This is a great exercise for challenging those muscles that lie on the front surface of your forearm. So you can do this one on your legs or off the edge of a bench like I've got here. You're going to start in this position with your wrist hanging off the edge so that your hand's got some room to move. Then all you need is a small weight like this, or you could even use a bag or a milk bottle, just something with a bit of load. From here, we're going to slowly lower that weight down as far as you can manage, and then pull that back up so that your knuckles are pointing up towards the ceiling as far as you can, and lower it with control. And as you start to do a few reps of this, you'll start to feel those muscles in the front here contracting hard to pull your hand up. And over time, if you stay consistent with these, they'll get stronger, and it's going to make all those daily gripping tasks a lot easier. Let's get on to exercise 2.
Exercise 2 is towel ringing. All you need is a towel, and it is very simple. You can even do this one sitting, watching the TV. So roll the towel up like this, grab it, one hand on either side, get your fingers all the way around it, nice tight squeeze, and then wring it back and forth like this, like you're trying to squeeze all the water out of the towel. And even after just a few, you can feel how hard that will be. So nice strong grip, twisting back and forth. You can do this for 30 to 60 seconds at a time, and you'll feel all the muscles in your forearm and hands really working hard.
Exercise 3 is one of the best functional grip strength exercises because it replicates all those daily activities where you have to carry heavy things around, whether that's the groceries or things around the garden. All you're going to need is a couple of heavy objects. Now, that could be kettlebells, but it could also be buckets filled with something heavy, or just bags that you've got lying around the house. Hold on to those weights with a nice strong grip, and you're simply either walking on the spot, or you could do some walking laps of whatever area you can find. You're going to aim for 30 to 60 seconds to start with, and by the end of that time period, we want your grip and your hands to be really struggling to hold onto the weight. Of course, you're going to stop before you drop it on your toes, but we want to really challenge those forearm muscles.
Before we wrap up, a quick note on how to make sure your grip strength exercises are really challenging. See, the more spread out your fingers are when you're gripping something, the harder the muscles have to work and the harder it will be. When you can wrap your fingers all the way around something, it makes it a little bit easier. So for example, a shopping bag like this, where I can easily wrap my fingers all the way around, even if it's quite heavy, it's not challenging my grip strength a whole lot. So you can make more out of your training by using something that makes it a little bit harder to hold by something a bit thicker. So for example, a dumbbell handle, fairly challenging, but if you hold the end of a dumbbell like this, it's going to make your grip strength work much harder and therefore get more out of your training. If you don't have weights or dumbbells, that's fine. You can use nice, thick, heavy books, holding those like that, really challenging for your grip strength, or just find objects from around the house, like some bricks from the garden, for example. Something where you have to spread your fingers out and grip like that is always going to be more of a challenge than a tight fingered grip like that. So apply that to any of those exercises and make sure you're getting the most out of them.
Do this routine twice weekly, and don't forget that you can make progress by increasing the weight of the things you're holding or by holding chunkier objects.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And why not check out this next video on screen, which is going to show you 3 exercises to build leg strength and balance at the same time.